Hey guys, this week we're going to be testing out the new Arzopa C1 calendar. I'm super excited to try this out. I personally really love smart technology, smart calendars, all that kind of stuff, so I think this is going to be really exciting and really useful. So I don't know about you guys, but my schedule is kind of chaotic. I feel like I tend to take on a lot between work, projects, things around the house, appointments, helping out friends and family, all that kind of stuff. And just like all the random things that seem to get added to my day every day. And I'm definitely one of those people where if I don't write something down, I'm almost certainly going to forget it. I pretty much always have just a million little notes lying around, lists, random notes in my phone, all that kind of stuff. It gets to be kind of a lot. And then on top of that, I'm also trying to remember my husband's schedule, what we have going on together, and things with our dog. So I wanted something that could kind of function as like a second brain for me and help to keep me more organized and really just make my life a little bit easier. That's why I wanted to work with the Arzopa C1 and set it up and see how it works in our house, because I really think it's going to help to kind of streamline things for me. This is the Arzopa C1 calendar, and I've been keeping our calendar, tasks, and meal planning on here. First, I actually really like how this looks. I like that you can rotate the screen depending on how you want to use it, and I really love the curved angle on the back of the screen. I've never seen a calendar with this look to it. It makes it really easy to have it up on a table or a desk and have it in whatever orientation works best for you. And the display is really nice. We get a lot of natural light in here, so the anti-glare screen has been especially nice because I can see everything without having to fight against a reflection. And setting it up was actually really simple too. I just connected it to the Wi-Fi, downloaded the Arzopa app, and then just connected my calendars. What I really love is that I can have my calendar and my husband's calendar together, so I can look at one screen and actually see what our week looks like instead of trying to remember what's on his calendar and what's on mine. So if I have a work thing and he has something going on that night, I can immediately see that when I'm planning the rest of my week. And I can add things directly here on the calendar, or if I'm out and about, I can add them from the app on my phone and they'll show up on the calendar, which is really helpful for me because I feel like I'm constantly remembering things at just completely random times. Like usually I remember them when I'm not home. So I can just add things on my phone instead of telling myself to remember to do it later. I also love that you can customize your events. I can put if it's recurring, what days of the week it takes place on, who it applies to, and a bunch of other little details that make planning ahead so much easier. And then there's the task section, which is probably way more useful for us than I expected because my schedule is one thing, but then there's also all of the stuff that has to happen around the house, like cleaning, laundry, running errands, taking Nala to the vet, giving her her medicine, just things that need to happen on a regular basis. And I personally don't want to be the person who's responsible for remembering every single one of those things just because I'm the one who tends to keep track of everything. So it's really helpful that I can put them all into the Arzopa calendar, assign them to either myself or my husband, and make them recurring if it's something that we need to do every week. And then we can just check them off when they're done, and we both know that that task has already been completed. And a feature that I think is really cool is that you can actually assign points to each of the tasks so that if you or a family member or your children complete a task, they can earn points and then use those points to get rewards. So it's a really cool system of encouraging everyone to be responsible, to keep up with their chores around the house, and have something positive come from it because they can be accountable for getting their own rewards. I honestly really love the reward system, and I actually just use it for myself because it's a great motivator. So whether you have children or not, I think this is a really helpful feature for keeping you on track. There's also a section where you can create lists, and this is again totally customizable. So you can make as many lists as you want. You can name them whatever you want. So I personally like to use a grocery list and a to-do list. It's really nice because that's also in the app. When you're out at the grocery store, you can pull it up and have your grocery list all together in one place so that you don't have to bring a piece of paper or write it down and try to remember. Another feature that I personally really love is that there's a photo section, so you can upload your photos and have it be essentially like a photo frame. So when you're not using it for a calendar, you can have it be something that's really aesthetic and pretty in your home. And then there's the meal planning section. And for me, meal planning is one of those things that takes up way more mental space than it should. I've been using the Arzopa C1 to plan out our meals for the week, and I can put everything in here, keep the recipes with it, and then build out my grocery list from there. It also has a lot of really cool features with the Sidekick AI. You can do a lot of really cool things with the meal planning, like you can ask it to give you recipe suggestions, you can copy and paste website links in and it'll turn it into a recipe inside the app for you. You can also do things like take a picture of your fridge and then it'll suggest recipes based on what it sees in the photo. There are definitely a lot of really cool ways that you can use this for meal planning that really just help to take one more task off of your list and make your day a little bit easier. And especially if you have a busy house or a bigger family, this can be a huge time saver. Let's add a daily morning vocabulary task for me with a reward of 4 points. Can you give me a suggestion for lunch tomorrow? It can also do so many other cool things. Like if you have a list that you've already written, you can take a picture of it and it'll convert it into a list in the app and on the calendar for you. And you can ask it to do things like add events to your calendar, add tasks to your list, all kinds of things just to make it a little bit quicker and easier for you to manage and organize your day. So I've been really enjoying using the Arzopa C1. I really like having it in my office, but I could see it being really useful in a lot of spaces. Realistically, my schedule is always going to be just a little bit chaotic because I like taking on a lot of extra tasks. I have a lot of hobbies. I tend to be very busy, but having something like this makes it a lot easier for me to stay on top of things so that I don't feel stressed or overwhelmed or like I'm falling behind on projects and work. And the thing that I love most about this is I now don't have to remember everything. I can have it all right here so that I don't accidentally forget something or have to look in a bunch of different places. And I really love that I can see my husband's schedule. We can both see what the other person has during their work day, any activities that we have, shared activities, and things that we need to do for Nala. So it makes it a lot easier for us to be able to plan together. I also really love having the extra features. Like having our task list is so helpful, and being able to have it separated like this makes it really easy for me to keep track of things, especially because I can also view all of these things on the app when I'm on the go. If I'm trying to plan my day and I'm out and about running errands, I can look at the task list and remind myself of what else I need to get done that day so that I can like plan my time to make sure I can do it all. So it's basically become a place where I can put everything that I was keeping in my head and free up a little bit of space and energy to be able to do something else for myself or just to make my life a little bit easier. I think it's really nice to have in my office because I'm able to kind of see hourly throughout the day what I need to do next, but you can also see the bigger picture of like weekly or monthly if you want to. And since there's no subscription fee for this, you're able to use all the features without having to worry about paying extra money for certain things. It's all included, and you can do so many really helpful things and have so many helpful tools without any subscription, which I think makes this even more convenient because once you've already bought the calendar, the last thing you want to do is pay a subscription and add to your monthly expenses. It's just buy it once and then you're good to go. If you guys are interested in checking out the Arzopa C1, I will link all the information for it below. And if you do get an Arzopa C1 calendar, then please leave a comment. Let me know what you think of it and let me know what your favorite feature is and how you use yours in your home, because it might give me some ideas on how I can use mine to be a little bit more efficient. So I hope that you guys enjoyed setting up and learning about the Arzopa C1 calendar with me, and I hope that this was helpful in giving you a little bit more information about all of the amazing things that this calendar can do and how it can help make your life a little bit more organized and just take some extra things off your plate, because we all deserve to have that extra time to take care of ourselves. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you next time.